Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Renault remote key fob. This particular key fob is slightly different to the rest of them. It has little teeth that you can just see all the way around the outside of the fob that interlock with each other on both halves of the case. So instead of getting a screwdriver in and cracking it open, we've got to slide it forward in a forward motion to separate the two halves of the fob. So follow the arrow on the back of the fob and just push it forward like so. That splits the two halves of the case. You can just see little teeth all the way around the outside of this case that interlock with the other half. And there is your key fob battery. We just get our little screwdriver and get underneath the battery and just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2016, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we pop it back into the housing. On this particular one, we make sure that the writing is facing downwards, so it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it back together. So we get the other half of the case, and we just need to line it up so all the teeth interlock with each other. Like that. And hopefully it just clicks back into place. Sometimes it can be quite tricky to line them all up. And there you go. It's all done.